How to sign up for Shein affiliate account. As you already know, Shein is an e-commerce platform mostly for fashion wares. By signing up as an affiliate for Shein, if someone buys products through your link which they provide, you'll get a commission of that product. So to be a member or an affiliate of Shein, you can head over to the website, search for shein.com. After you land on the home screen, you can scroll to the bottom of the page. On the footer, you'll see under company info, option for affiliate. Click on affiliate. Now here it will provide you all the details of Shein affiliate. It shows you how it works, the benefits you get. You get 10 to 20% of each sale you make, and also the benefit that your customers get. You can also sign up through these affiliate platforms instead of directly signing up from Shein. There are a lot of popular affiliate platforms such as ShareASale, CJ Affiliates, and many more. If you have account on any of these platforms, you can click on them and then join Shein affiliate through these platforms where you can get additional benefits such as more commission rates. But if you want to sign up through Shein, you can also do that. Click on sign up, log in for free. If you're already signed up for a publisher program, you can click on the already registered. If not, you can enter in your details. After you fill all this information, you can click on next. Now you've been signed up as a publisher. Now you need to choose the type of promotion. If you have a company, you can choose the company, or if you're only an individual, click on that. Now here you need to enter in your account name, your PayPal account, your main promotion market, the traffic you're thinking of bringing in, and other information. Start by typing in your account name, which you've just created. Here you need to enter in your PayPal account because the commission will be distributed through PayPal. Now here you can select your main promotion market where you're trying to promote the products of Shein. You can select up to 3 markets. Then you can type in the monthly average traffic. After that's done, you can select your promotion type. So where are you trying to promote these products? If you have a website or any of these options, you can just click it and it will be selected. Next, you'll also need to enter in the URL of the promotion type. You can also do the same for all of these. Now after you finish filling in this information, you can select have you ever collaborated with them? If yes, check the yes. If not, then select the no and then click next. In the next section, you need to agree to all of these agreements and then click submit. And there you go. Your application was successful. Now the team of Shein will look up your application and then verify your application within 24 hours. If you like what you've written on the application, then they will verify your account.